Hi, chemistry students. So I started to make a big list of all of the resources that we have in this course and put that together for you. But, I determined that we really already have that. So I'm making this video to show you where you can find all of the important information that can help you study for Friday's unit test. So I'm starting on our Canvas homepage. As you hopefully already know, when you go to modules, you have our full unit right here. So you might need to go back and review some of these async lessons. You might need to do them for the first time. But you should know all of the material that is being presented in each of these asynchronous lessons. So make sure that you go through that, take those notes, and submit those notes so that you will get credit for that work that you're doing. The next thing is that you could go into these quizzes, but you might want to do a little bit of review beforehand, particularly if you already did the quiz and you didn't do well the first time. That might be letting you know that you need to do a little bit of practice first. I want to show you our unit lesson slides because this is really helpful that will help you navigate all of the additional materials that I have developed. Okay, so when you click here, you'll see the PowerPoint that I created that I give each day in our live lessons. You can navigate through this at your own pace by clicking on any of these to see my lesson slides that correspond to these particular concepts. So if we start with our scientific notation, units, and systems of measurement, when I click here, it takes me to our objectives. I can cycle through here. You can also use the arrows on your keyboard to do this. And this will give me some visuals that you might be easier to go through slowly here rather than in the video, if this is helpful to you. So I did take some time to create these slides to help you out with some of these concepts. You can go back to the main slide using this menu here. And you might find that these things here are more helpful to you. So right here, this is our helpful resources, additional videos and lessons. So I have some videos here that I found that I think are helpful different ways of presenting the same material. Okay, on this slide, so that's the formative practice problems and quiz. You can get that from the front page. You have all of our practice, and you will get immediate feedback to see if your answers are correct or not. Once you submit, you'll be able to see the correct answers. So you might find that helpful as your practice. It's not graded. I would expect that if you didn't do well on the quiz the first time, you do some of these practice problems to check your understanding. The quiz is right here. It's also in the modules tab, but you can navigate it directly from this slideshow by clicking right here. This is graded. It's graded for this unit, it's graded on participation, but this is it's important to practice and make sure you understand before our unit test on Friday. So to recap, in this lesson slide, you can access any of the different lessons we had. If you were gone on Friday for our density lab, you will need to be completing the density lab as well. You can access that right here, and this is the video to show you what to do. And on the next slide, you've got our link to join the class. You'll need to join the class before you choose your lab, and you get the choice of either doing the free answer, which is a little bit harder, but it gives you a little more choice, or the multiple choice, which is easier this time. We won't always have choice in our labs. So that's the instructions of how you will find the information or the resources for this course and where you will look for all of the information that we have provided. I want to go through these last parts before I finish this video. So if you have anything missing, you want to check Synergy and see if you have any zeros in there, come to the asynchronous meeting to check in with me, tell me what you're going to work on today. If you need any help, I am happy to help you. I will be around that whole meeting to support you. But if that's not something you want, if you want to work by yourself, I'm not going to keep you in that meeting. So I'm expecting that I should see everybody who has anything that is missing. If you're all caught up with your work and you're satisfied with how you've done on the quizzes, you have this Chapter 2 mixed review that is all of the problems that are listed at the end of this unit in our chemistry packet. This is, again, formative, so you'll get that instant feedback to help you out with checking your understanding. Okay, this is important. This is how I'm going to track your attendance, and it's going to be telling me what it is that you're working on. I would like for you to record what you worked on each day, Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, in this table, and tell me if I have anything that I need to regrade for you. So you'll find your name. Please tell me what you worked on. If I don't have anything to regrade for you, let's say that you were just working on practice problems, you can say nothing here, and that's okay, or NA, whatever you would like. All right, I hope you find this helpful. I'm looking for fantastic participation this week, that you're going to be really using this asynchronous time so that we can finish off this unit strong. And I will see you on Tuesday. We will do some of this Chapter 2 mixed review together as a group. Thank you very much, and I will see you later. Goodbye.